Hello, today we will be reviewing some drill sounds. I'm going to say the letter, keyword, and sound. When I point to you, repeat the letter, keyword, and sound, just like we would in class. A, apple, A. CH, chin, ch. G, game, g. M, man, m. Q, queen, qu. Now let's do the vowels. I know we already did A. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Nice job, second graders. Today we did the drill sounds. Now go to the next video.